There was for a higher GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest hot nkwa era me bramo. Erunti so when subscribe to channel area but more than say o be subscribe. The way I say o be click the subscribe button, you know. Now wa barely notification, you know. We had this video for be upload, you know. With the first person once ebeka yes video afi ubia na wa like video, you know. Give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na we nya bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana be mo hadam afi yembura ye ensemo a aba beto yepno so yetie eye sa report eye sa nkomo ya aba beto ya mo yetie
me ba so wanted list no
you je fact so mama why
what boso
wanted list says the special
what boso
and me mo so
ye wie
you je fact so Kwabena nya na ye
no say so already
me read it.
Niema ne niema nti a omoso why wanted no.
Okay.
Niema nti a omoso why wanted no.
Okay.
And na efiri otchere ko no, we will take our time and pick those issues no one by one. Na yen dealing with sa niema ni nyina. Enti se obetimi di atoso. Em se
o di atoso.
Na em se.
Say we da CTV su Kwabena.
Oh, sa. Hey.
Level don't change.
Aha. I see.
Level don't change.
That's right. Me baby.
Oh, where?
Kwachi, one kayo.
Is that your corner level so? Okay. Okay.
So the atoso.
Or the atoso.
Oh.
Or the details. Abba. Enti abusuafo mo amohwe ye CTV ni mo a ma join your Facebook no na
okay so the number also uhun special prosecutor ne symbol no right and we did a cross check from OSP office and this list if you want na eba so mekra nana me hu sese ordinana ya Ofori Atta
nana ya Ofori
no omanfa kuntun anka ho
sanu de enu de em se nya din a
ye no ni document so okay all right so ya wono 1958 after independence were this 66 years onyiri yo enu aba akokora mo no sa no
66 years ya na ya de anusu ya de ketu
hey and the bonnet na amana yekoso sa no okay
anu shredo me
almost nani black ni trinwi black onipa ni black ni trinwi black okay ne
brown skin
and the complexion brown skin nani black na ne skin brown. Possible locations: United States of America and I say UK. But these are the reasons. So this suspect is wanted to answer charges in respect of several cases, including strategic mobilization, GRA contract. Okay. Okay, it's our contract.
If
you watch, we will break those down. I'm a man for whom. Termination of ECG BXC contract, National Cathedral payment, ambulance procurement contract, tax refund account utilization. AM say OSP no wejabi wom.
Oh baby.
Wejabi wom.
P.
Closak Fosika. Okay, Closak. Bacho. So okay, Closak Fosika.
Kwame.
50 million Ghana cedis.
50 and not 52.
No, Closak. 52 no year from Ghana Commercial Bank to
own account.
You need 52 billion.
52 billion. Okay.
Ghana cedis. Right? And a Closak the name say 5 million Ghana cedis or 50 million Ghana cedis. I don't know, but Ogugu.
I mean 50 million Ghana cedis.
Closak. Yeah. O you free on account mu. Ekoto account fufu mu a. Closak for su yeah. One first can ama womo. Beyond that, there are other issues. Yeah, can offer.
Even Kwabena. Closure of banks no crown. Sa banks no crown kwanya. Omo fa so a omo e close to banks ma Ghana bought 25 billion Ghana cedis cry. Thing say it was a special prosecutor at the count.
Yes. Yes.
Banks now close in no.
Yes.
I was a special prosecutor at the count.
Yes. And I am say but you see in America no you be dealing with these issues na yeja diaka no but diaka no enya dia sebe yebeja HD nanama me bano me tese oka about Ofori Atta and OSP me follow theory no kakra.
Okay.
Right? Me follow theory no.
Okay.
Because yani nipa na dealing. 1 2 yenya Kisi Agyapong wo free omo stock.
Yeah.
Wo free omo mu. So
election 2012 petition no. Legal team the man president Akufo Addo then now come.
Oh, even Krasa no a gabby chambers.
Okay.
Oh, yani there I mean a known fact. Ono kra dey undenied that. But minimum say yeah around 2023-2024 there were serious issues between Agyapong and Akufo Addo family. Akufo Addo family they are political thieves and family thieves, mind you. And no more bush and phoning in and Akufo Addo no ya adwene. E the way omo ebu Ghana. Meaning some of the family members are omo ne Akufo Addo no ya ka be pemene.
Okay.
Oh yes. Okay. And you can mention Uncle Fifi.
Okay.
Uncle Fifi Ofori Atta. And Lady Marie. You can mention them. So clearly you can see say e binya omo nyina na no omo ya adwene. Inti yen define but yaka na busu Akufo Addo abusu afo onene namfofo akromfo. You know Akufo Addo is a thief, a criminal. Yeah, he's a criminal.
Yeah.
And then me who video bi yeah osu bempa odifo jokingly ebusa say bay enombe investigate Akufo Addo. O guys onima de kra oka
onim o so no kra odifo do no was scam no
onim
ni oka
onim Akufo Addo is a criminal by birth kromfo ena onyini ye ena obetra yes and he would die as a thief, a criminal. Also on mimpie waka dem. Yes, metra ka kire wo say ama Akufo Addo so di agra ne kokura brema kola be banasum ewo ekrom ansa no wawu and odi agra kete it will happen. On the first former president that somebody will slap him. Anyway, we are hoping say ma NC ye nyina bompa ye say ma NC because washe Ghana for Arrést we di boni too much. And utie osubempa on see the osika no say papa we di boni dodo. No ajai no edi no ase abeka we di boni too much. Oni no. Yeah, osubempa no amu no enka ese a chine interrogate no. Say Ghana politics and so bompa ye oni Mahama kwa asare. Oh, me unim say me jiasofo ni me nya konfo ni me jinkramofo ni me mpam kwase asem me obia dia me nka se wo mu ni ho mo ho by for ho me minim say by for ho but me mfa ho wasem nyamasem wase me adekra me gidi no ewo mi mu ewo mi tirim
unu nyankopon
wusia me na abahu adekra me gidi but until then obia nam ne baby me ta niema no ediase odifo ya hyenkoma ma NDC wa hyenkoma ma MPP me sa niema no it has nothing to because they are all frosters. Oh hwe wiem study wiem ehwe ba bia mframa ne bokọ no akeka nkwase asem why not kroma no hwe so bempa ejira ka kire say no nim say Akufo Addo esa na ote na wuntumi ene ka jo mama won sem kire nti wuntumi ka kire no a no no be ka kire se dia asafo awurade sie ni ti wuntumi ne eye awurade ne hwe kwase asem a osu be mpagira soro dem sabe Gyamfi na damfo no sabe Gyamfi na damfo no ne obi gira okika kwase asem wi na sabi anointing oil kakra ne post nipa be dinti na mo je oil de frafra mu anim de frafra mu trim ya hu nkrofo ama me ne wo omo wie ya anya yie yai ekroma Messi Mimindi Bibiachi from 2008 I've seen NDC omo makosora be hwiase me hu bebre mi bobie me hu 2001 untimi nkyerem shege untimi nkyerem hwe bio na nko so bempa we hwenga asmo jiro keka ti untimi ka kire no na be ka kire se de awurade sie nie and they have people around eye enkrofo eye omo information no aka chen say ne agba no fa ne bra sore no ahwe o sa no abobodin no akire wo dem curtains now je ni abaje so we sa kalala we chale yanko yasem so but you see nama Ajabi from stock
yeah
right o from stock eneba enti dia wo ka no menji wachini it can be possible enipa won also kaje ti akromfo yachi yachi ba ko no na ba ko pa kromfo enso ye ono a ana wenum no omche kaje ti akromfo wo ma ben pa so Ajabi can do that easily say ma menya sa na akwa ne mfa ne huni aya wadwane yate yemfie no nto nchen nanama but meso me theory ni
okay
Ajabi shall raise issues about Akufo Addo government, about corruption, thievery. Time no more and was says adianase. The question is Satan no so not washada. I'm not too sure. Say be a Satan so no washada. Say on kika sa amfa eye MPP. Government won. Mind you, Kwame, document now OSP releases 6 months to elections now. Oh, check my me. Nana, me no yes, I didn't. Okay, side document no. Obe say omo a prosecute omo in MPP government about galamsey.
About galamsey.
Okay.
Mekai.
Bebo body Charles Bisu no and oma. Yes, but the question is sometimes no I said that. They were in government. Now I'm a party and a wabemu. So the question is that time no so no. Na Ajabi said that na. Gyamfi no true. Me say me kabiu. I will not discount your theory. Because and nanama now what the game na say? To him say man for bet me abua for achire.
Oh yeah.
And it me see.
Oh yeah.
And me nje need that. But I just want us to look at the other side. That this is a Ajabi, Kisi Ajabi for you. This is the OSP, Ejuma Omoye. Look, me de Kenatefua echo OSP. In any case, Obian come back as a for Asemko. Because yet Kroma, Dampare, and yet Kroma, MPP ni yadia. As a dampering hui. At least with OSP, they were able to deal with a MPP characters 1 or 2 B. So Gyamfi non tour. Then Omabo position. Ofori Atta. Ofori Atta. Yebeka say or your cousin to Gabby nom. And yes, sir. Enti busiafo. And so be ebeye Ofori Atta sa. Ajabi be said that aye Ofori Atta sa. You can so be a fugitive. Say ubetimi agugo na yen hwe the definition of obia oye fugitive. Obia oye fugitive. You can say nanama aye fugitive. Or say a person who has escaped from captivity or is in hiding.
Fugitives from justice.
What you say? That is the noun. Adjective. Quick to disappear. Fleeting. The fugitive effects of light. Inti. Kenufrata atimia yira to say enyinam. Ram. Wouldn't the entire my friend fugitive no? Ada wabukwa ready no na o promo. And within sense I can offer at nya kwai edwane ye no still beats imagination. A kwai of us dwane ye no. Ye ntina Ajabia use two adjectives and amano. First one also a fugitive. The second one was also a wanted.
You're wanted.
So let's check wanted no a meaning.
Wanted no so.
Aha, oh. Why they control city? Say
Level don't change.
My Philippa.
That's one.
That's right.
Level don't change.
Good.
Say no.
Ready, Alaji go ready, so I say I interviews to who Crawford here.
Desire to put something.
But you wanted no.
Wanted no.
Anymore.
Wanted meaning.
Wanted. Also fugitive no. One. And fugitive no. Obia Tio. We say the or say a person who has escaped from captivity.
Yeah.
Or is in hiding. A person who has escaped from captivity.
What Johnny?
Did you or I can't come so when Japan, in fact, let me tell you, Japan on their way, Kenofurata was there. On their way, Kenofurata was there. And that is why the OSP Ebertunidi a fugitive. He was in town. Kenofurata was in town.
Okay, so wanted. Okay, so about past tense wanted. So have a desire to possess or do, wish for.
No, a wanted person.
A wanted. Okay, then
a wanted person. A wanted
person.
Man, meaning.
Wanted person.
Or say a wanted man. A wanted man is a man who the police are searching for in connection with a crime. The term wanted person is another way to describe someone who is wanted by the police. Wanted is an adjective that means being searched for by the police. For example, he is wanted for murder. And Ofori Atta graduated from a fugitive to now a wanted person. He was nearly under capture. And I said that. And I wonder what I'm hearing. I may be wrong on this matter. I may be wrong. What I'm hearing is that when you sue airport, that is what I'm hearing. I may be wrong. I may be wrong. Yes, when you sue Ghana airport. However, I stand to be corrected. Say later correction be bar or monfa enchemi. But the initial info, I mean, I'm not a government appointee. I'm not in the government. I don't know what they do. Minim said your mama and Mwebu or Mama. Eja, sorry, Paya, Nianam, Yala, Nia Yakopeya, Nuediane. Sometimes I don't even listen to news, so I don't know what is happening. But from information, kakra, obi dim kobo baby, near Yatibi, and the Keka Hono. When you sue Ghana, airport, and Ofori Atta edwane eye awiano a na omo kwahwehwe no. For that one I know. Entina obeka kire say omo friend a fugitive. Now he's a wanted man. Because hwehwe no already who is a wanted person. Say no wadru wa upgrade hwehwe no. Everywhere Ofori Atta is across the world. No. Nanama, the first question you should ask yourself. Nanama, aye adwuma wa Accra FM, CMG. Nanama, Atia says you one of the oldest workers. Maybe you, Val, Yoda Sampa, Nana Romeo. Odi ase ye him de ye ba chire ya odi ase nana ma ye adwuma for years nana ma so mabre ese me koje mahome nana ma ofia one day e wa fijase o nana ma akotra France ana akotra Germany oti ya na ora sedu agongo ye announcement say ye hwehwe nana ma achino for whatever. Nanama, you that I know. And you want a besim pam. I beg you, my baby, sir. I say, Bema, Medoka.
Oh, dear, no one.
Also, offer me microphone. Then Nanama, I know. When you know that, why did you find? So what the Oumpa so cry? You don't want to die.
No.
With that tag. Being a fugitive and later a wanted man, you don't want to die with that tag. Oba sorry aba busa alaji say Bema me fa wo dey na wo me ho. Now yesi obi aba obi fie and Messi am another example. 2017 July and on me.
Okay.
Omo bae no. Na ya wia. Because na omo akwashimi radio station nti. Me anu mani ta kokko so a me dadem. Me da ona obi frame me say. National security for ebe family. Enti me nwane. I was contemplating. Say
so
Mimiani ana ma mimiane.
So now you see you ana we a minister ana so.
Me say atare a na bibia am say me dwane say.
Why dey?
My day. Bibi say oh wan hwa a won kwa na wo fie no mo apira wo. Me wa na me nim sister Heidi. Na Heidi so ekoye ni ti. Ti meje sa voice na ba mitirimu say onkwa na wo fie wan hwe na o mapira wo unim de besinti pie dwane timi estate mu ono say omukura me picture eno ma position national security cars no ba ko trace eno mdi tu awura inside ento obi a omubehu bia no mdi picture a kire but estate no mu no obi betua trem 10 years kwa na onim no into omo break akra ti me two can me dwane kwa another your estate back we or ni nyina sem one ye hono ye Riverdale ena back we Park Cluster.
Okay
ti me dwane ko Park Cluster oba me nim obi anti no me ko park wo dua bi ase ena me tie radio no mo ka say yes na chest for hwehwe bobie mi jira na sia na bibia say na sia se mi sister so ba fie na so omo beto no na omo ye ni bibia na me ka ne say enye meko fie na omo achime and omo chime a Dompreh bia na omo nye. So I went back home mi rafia need 2 minutes na omo jira mi gate ya no after na my sister so akoye ni tia no oba tika abesi no gate na no Integrate na no mo de handcuff egu me. Mama Mr. so ya akokon ena obusa ase Mr. busa ase ade. Che say omo tiatia no omo bebo me search. Omo anya hwe no omo de bepie. What I want to say is say ya say omo mko ready no ekoto Ofori Atta yire ne ma. Yes sir. Obi a woni bone. Se nkrofo akọ raid ewo ofie akoto yire no ma. Bema wa wo ma ene o yire. O ga se o ma, o say ma.
Wadwane.
David, Bema, me sister. Even with my sister when you know, I couldn't bear it like me sister nete. Me ni bibi me come ampo me ko catch me ma me say. Asembe ne meka. And so mo baby sister bibi dia ne me de me ho be ko.
Oh, but one person mu ye bi omo nye.
One person mu ye bi omo nye. Omo de me boxer shorts na de me nante call estate no police station. Because na eni pe eba. Ena amafo so busom so police station ha. Tie ne amfa no nko. Na ye because I insisted so man go police station what there. Because be so obi ahu mi say omo na de me ko no. Eni se ma bie wa they should ask them. Enti me no omo twen dem no omo twen papa. Say mo me nwura police station and amasa.
Jise mu kumi wa.
Jise mo ni mo di mitiba broker no akume. And they agreed. We went to the police station and omo take national security for nyina particulars. And omo etro me din. Me fra ayi your friend say me nua mare wa de because no mare wa de akwala ba ku wom.
Okay.
Me friend me nua mare wa de so we de ontimi nya ho hwe. I'm say fair, that's okay. And the number say Ofori Atta yes nkrophobia ba ofie abehwe. Ombeto yire no ma. Yeso ma ransaki fio. Papa panmu te se wa ye adwuma wa Ghana. Na onim se uni boni bia. You come back. Oba ba ofie aba hwe ofie. Abetre se o mo ransaki me fie, we ayira. My hands are clean. Mo pa mo me fa me. Sana Bema edini mema sem. Sana Bema edini mema sem. On 3 occasions, on 3 occasions I mean MPP for chimi nyina no. None of them eno me dwane ye. None.
Because one year born.
Menyese. Third one on beche me wo etchere anadwo no. Omo de me kɔ ɛwɔ car num. Ba ko se mibusa omo se ye kwai. Omo se omo de me kɔ cathedral amena no ho. Ana am se na agise na musie mi ne. Omo se hwɛ na no so den na am se Bema me
na me kɔ na cathedral na say cathedral no.
Say Akufo Addo ni ne se ne ma me bodam ni Akufo Addo ma me obodam no. Say am se ho. Am se menya hwe say wanu ya den am se Bema Bema di watem abai mi bi wo me ho ma wi gold mo galam say na mutune ebi wo me ho baby apa bia yenko say Rebecca say em fam na am say Rebecca do na am de ye dey Rebecca say em fam na cathedral no na Rebecca say em fam emra no Rebecca you no monopause you no be da na so ne me dey e dey no obe we the call ka yirimu e dey no obe Ediken say what to say enkrofo aba ofia na unim so ye bem na wuni no some in case wa be hwa yire no ma as to whether even they were touched for you to sit somewhere and placing calls asking your kids asking your wife mo what to say you know quite enough because look second Ofori Atta onya hwea Jo mama bint me ntu obi aso onya hwe no de seke ato ni mirimu okroma no ensi da ene nke ni jo mama be chi ayam papa ye no be chi ayam se obi nya hwe onfare sanka aban sika onni boni bia o se o ta ne keke. And these are some of the things Akufo Addo did that some of us stood up like we all know we won't agree. Yama nipa ba ko pawuntimi ntre kroma na ne kaka ku se wo ba na obi adwane Yantiasie. And indeed, Akufo Addo ohunu fight. Ohunu tough fight power no anani so ni video ohunu say yes. We share nkola bone. Yanini ye bi papa. So we are not going to allow John Mahama to go the same way. And again, bra. Mimi kana anka ma baba hwe me yene ne mema.
Ba Kwabena, sa wo si de no mu ko ready no wo Ghana ha. Wo si ni fie ye wo Ghana ha se ho na wo. Ba na national security for no nya we se ho so ye ni fie.
Well, and I make say me no abai no minim.
Okay.
Right? I don't have anything to do with this government, so I don't know how they run their affairs. All that I know as a civilian, as a journalist, yes, you investigations.
So no ha.
If you cry, they make me do be alcohol. Can I say critic for no frame me cry? And maybe I see Japano, me who no once say.
But me Kwabena ya me wan say national security for any that information na hankwan no mobile.
Well,
not during that period no can Ofori Atta wo Ghana and wait.
Well, once when we talk about national security, it doesn't mean they are all knowing. It doesn't mean they are all knowing. Sometimes, I mean, we make their momo wrong information. I mean, it happens. But maybe there, maybe say can Ofori Atta fee, sa a chamber of telecommunication, big white abrosino. Nidia.
Ghana chamber of.
Hold what ya ni fie no yo otu free akokotrem. Ya ne de ono ana busuafo kora nim gabby num nyina nim. Jemensa watu minim ba bi ote.
But Jemensa they know say me kra say minim say Jemensa ni after election.
Watu.
Yeah.
Obi anim ba bi ote. Oya no akoda ne cousin ba ku fie. O ka so obi anya ohwe.
Already da baby.
Obi anya ohwe. Eye wan kwankomo so na ade nam.
It is finished.
Because the passport no still omfa ma no. Ena abodi jijajija. Ena odida the cousins wo. O cousins isu na efrem krofo bo mama ne obeda ha o. Because munipa. Afenu wo so wo abusua. Ena wo peche. Ena nenam. Obi anya ohwe. Da. So police car na si wona ne tie adwo. Police car na si junction so no. And I me do na me tie mu say entimu nkofie ba ko se bra ya asem o. Me do na me ro me kedam se entimu nkofie o se bra ya asem o. Tai na ba ko adwo ene si wo. But nanama Ken Ofori Atta, what is the issue? Mame anti Jakpa issue no free wo.
Okay.
Yasi Jakpa no ma ko raid wo Ken Ofori Atta fie. MPP for kasa sabe ensemo a eni kwa so omoka no moka en nanama enipa me di ne ho yaw eye Mahama yarga
ajemensem
ene MPP for bi NDC for bi ya ase omo na nyamesompa ewo mu you are apologizing for what? And then I apologize for. Akufo Addo bodyguard. Any national security need to be kwache obi. I was asasemo. At the times, they did not apologize. Ya kan ya bia almost the regime na abano. Sa no motie. Akufo Addo nkwala. Eko regional coordinating council Kumasi. Regional security head Akufo Addo no appoint no because Akufo Addo MP no na Akufo Addo pese otu no enti no osuma nkola monkobo no ama we kwame aya papa ne friend say COP bibi Addo
omu twi ni free suru no
be hwe fom no o say omu de ni ko gira eye dwunsodwa so de hwe ase onyonso force onyonso mu no the tape no am so grant say interview no ma Adom FM. What is MPP ni bi kasai? Kotie the account of John Jinapo e kwaye omde ne fa so e woni fie. Kotie James Ajanim Boateng. James Ajanim Boateng say wada ena yankwa de nya security for MPP supporters e de atuo ban fie
2017.
MPP apologize uya na NDC for ni bi no Mahama Yarga no ne nkrofo abusa say so should we continue that way? Why shouldn't we continue that way? Why shouldn't we continue that way? Last week Friday, Nanama, na me MPP pani bi pa wo security network no mu. Na say nipa no. Time omo aban mu no. No omo jimi no. Me sending the message. Me say that trans sending the message tin. I catch and say me man a short time obey mo bo.
No mo wa be na the message ni man no.
And I'm talking about my own brother Nitiwu. Nitiwu is my brother. He should forgive me. But Mama Nitiwu hunipa me that me I don't hide. Me sending a message. Na me tro go ase bobi ansani. Unu say Nitiwu are responding me da. Just last week. And I'm hu Kojo Chumbuafo. Issues we are already about acquire Nitiwu in the faso. And I was sad. Unim de ntia me penitiwu asem. Nitiwu ye madam from Asempa FM. Nitiwu nyo obi ano enipa boni ni o. I'm telling you. So only Nitiwu ensaya. So when Nitiwu started say oh use military yes ano. I was sad.
Power.
Nitiwu nyo obi a Nitiwu no. Onu say na oye teacher ni. And also a symphony me teacher for no omu wa badaye pa Nitiwu nyo obi oye basa Nitiwu kind ni be ne guy we ya oba hai MPP ni ya oba hai
MPP ni be ya
dabi esem ni
oh ayi nua no.
Oh, esem ni
guy, slim guy.
David onye slim. MPP ni oya communicator yi. Oh.
MPP communicator. Oba citizen show.
Oh yeah, oba class, oba CTV.
Okay,
Oba CTV. Oh. And when come if you are there,
you wanna ube hu nipa kro.
Oh, I've forgotten his name. Anyway, let's move on. So, Nanama, and me catch Nitiwu say, me the video ni send no. And I'm say, Minia, you see, these are some of the things na me kan ho asem echere wo no. But me ne nkomo die me mfa nto abonten for friendship purposes. Yeah. Me Nitiwu, we have a good relationship.
Okay.
So, enya politics na ebe ma me a betray no. Saka. Also, Saka is a very liberal MPP person. Dabi sana na Nitiwu tie. He was very liberal. Minim de bogu Nitiwu ani so.
Power.
Na minwe ye ma basa. But I say I'm a kind no. He is my personal friend. Come who say your mama no kwa MPP personal friends. Who say Gyamfi no be able to na down for atwene. However, when your friend is wrong, let him know that you got it wrong. And I need to understand that. Look, a choir would de nkrofo fast no one nya ye. Last Friday, I had a chat with him.
Okay.
And I told him that one nya a choir would de wa unia Ghana for any ukromu for who use military do mo fast no one nya
Ebi ni parliament ya. I'm say Kanda Park I say no. Military new remus no. Come inside. Our parliament.
You went to a shaman to brutalize people. Omo ampacho. Mama yarga ti kromra. Ye kanya say it me bu nipa ma num gotemu nsuo. MPP for so omo ampacho. Na yako a criminal. Who is a criminal? A criminal. You say, omo pacho fair NDC no omna ye omodia said on person omo running in bia no omodia
but the national security koye radar majority leader there una wo be patch omo be crowd
and I make us say NDC no omna omodia ye beja omo into no we will allow them to run it the way they want it. However, I disagree with Mahama Yarge's point. I disagree. Simple. That is the only thing I can say. And part in Ewura. Inti Mahama Yarga no dia. So I'm say no person mo yenwa. Me am metenchen die. Agro ye yumu o se aka menyon baako. E dey na mo beka. Bananama. Is it true that Japa is working with national security or not? It's true.
True. It's true.
Is it true, sir? The national security sanctioned that raid and I say, and you're true. It's true.
It's true. Because I'm query video in a dasui. I'm Kwanajo.
I see some Kwanajo. I say I'm robbers.
I'm query area.
When I say I'm robbers. Now, me say almost say OSP say a staged.
Yes.
Na OSP and wrong. Me pacho national security ko radar on me country OSP. They don't even understand how the security agencies work. Yeah, nanama BNI for make me akwa your operation. Na national security for nim adekora ekoso. Ghana Armed Forces make me akwa your operation. Na police service enima adekora ekoso. It depends on the nature of operations. It depends. Your joint operation. Joint operation national security ni ebia mienu, police ni baako based on rank, military ni baako based on rank. Ni ebia yafa ebia CID fo mienu. Your joint operations.
We joint operation because who's a military for which per video.
And I make us say about me about say the OSP was not aware. Say raid cost because the national security koye radar. And who ya so mkobo OSP amane enya no mo ji wo mtumi free.
Yo waiting for we ni ensemo ababeto yepno so because say when you subscribe to channel idea bomodi say over subscribe. Now fi wa like video and give us a thumbs up na share ma wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso wo Ghana memo hanum. Also betimi atchere wadwen afaye ensem we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mu obeti minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.